Binary crypto options. You take the already high risk, high reward stock options and basically triple it with crypto. Crypto.com recently just released up or down options, meaning that you can bet if you think a crypto is going to go up or down within the span of just a few minutes. The more or less you bet the stock is going to go up or down, the more riskier the bet is and the more money you make. If you choose up, you basically choose a price that's gonna hit. And if it goes above that, you make all that profit. And then the same goes for if you say it's gonna go down. In this video, we put in $100 to crypto.com. We're gonna try a few different strategies of binary crypto options trading. Every single stock trader in existence tells you it's impossible to predict where a stock or crypto is gonna be within a few minutes. But who cares? Let's lock in and make bank. So our first method on making bank, it's gonna be coin flips. All right, so at this point, heads is gonna be equal bet that it's gonna go up. Tails is gonna bet that it's gonna go down. Let's get our first trade going. Here we go, here's the first flip. Looking tails. Not thinking about anything, place the order, and we're in. Nothing else. We're literally just going straight coin flip. Already lost $2. It's not looking good. So I didn't realize you could just close your position whenever you want. So if you think you're up or if you're down, you could just close it whenever you want. But of course, we're riding it all the way. We got 3 minutes to go. Let's see what happens. Wait, we're kind of running real quick. Oh, never mind. Oh, we're in the profit. Up $2. Oh, $4. We're gross. Yes, sir. All right, we're out of this baby. Up $4. Maybe this method is actually working. All right, it's time for the next flip. Let's go. All right, here we go. The next flip. Got heads. What I didn't realize is that this goes every like 10 minutes, so you can't just make back-to-back trades. You gotta wait a little. It's telling me that this trade isn't profitable, so we have to wait for the next one to come around, and then we'll bet based off of that. All right, time for the next coin flip. Got tails. All right, let's lock in this trade real quick. Already down $1.30, but that's how we were looking last time when we doubled up. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're currently down, I think, every single thing we put in. Down 520. You broke! I mean, just look, this literally proves you can't tell anything about trading. I put in a below and it spikes up. So when it says near low liquidity zone, it literally means that if you want to not lose all the money that you put in because you're down so much, you can't because no one's willing to buy it. 2 minutes left and we're still down $4. I have hope though. Oh my God, we're on the profit. Up $2. Oh, up $3. All right, we're up $4 here. Oh my God, we're just dropping. I mean, look, these are literally trades done by my coin and we're in the profit somehow. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what's happening right now. It doesn't want to tell me how much I've made or lost, and it's not even telling me anything. Ooh! All right, we're up. All right, so we ended up another $3 in that trade. All right, time for our last coin flip. Let's run it. Kind of wishing tails because we're looking like a downward slope here, but looking heads. You know what they say, the coin knows all, so let's lock the trade in. All right, we're in, and just like before, we're already down $2. All right, so we're somehow in another low liquidity zone, meaning that we can't cash out if we want to. Unless it makes money, but let's see. Down another $4, nice. So I literally just said I'm seeing a downward slope, so if I did what I actually thought, I wouldn't be making money right now. But we follow the coin, so I guess let's see what happens with our minute left. We are down basically 100% of our investment. I mean, it's only $5, but still. All right, we're down $6 now. So I think what happens is when they think there's literally no possibility you're gonna make money, they just end it and you can't see anything. All right, so with coin flipping, we're up $1. Let's move on to our next strategy, which should be a little more profitable. My next strategy is literally just gonna be me doing what I think I should do. If we look at the Bitcoin graph for today, it's just downward sloping the whole time. So personally, I'm just gonna keep betting that it's gonna go down. All right, so we're locking in the downtrend right now. There we go. For some reason, every single time I join a trade, I'm literally down half of what I put in already. I mean, this is just straight proof that you have no idea how the market's gonna move in a short amount of time. So if you see around that white line, that's exactly where I came into the trade saying it's gonna go down. All right, so we're still pumping, meaning that we're probably gonna look at a loss on this trade, but we'll see in like a minute and a half. So we're gonna have to move on to the next one. I mean, I know you guys see it, but look how depressing that is. Come on now. All right, so I have this idea because obviously I have no idea what's going on. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT and see what it says. So just like every single person will tell you, they say it's impossible because it's volatile. But I kept asking and I said, if you were to put a bet, what would you do? And ChatGPT told me he's feeling slightly bullish, meaning that it's time to bet up after we just bet down. I have a feeling I know exactly how this is going to go, but let's see. All right, so we just locked in that trade right now. All right, so we're down $2 in the beginning, but we're looking a little up right now. We need a little pump like we just had when we bet it was going to go down. But of course, that's not how it works when you're actually betting. I think I put like $4 into the whole trade and we're down $3.60 right now. But it's all good. I mean, it's $4. What can you buy with that? I'm starting to think that this is literally just gambling, but I guess it's not, because some people like that dude claim you can make a lot of money. All right, we're going to trust ChatGPT one more time and run another bullish trade. All right, there we go. We're in another trade saying it's going to go up. Hey, we're looking profitable on both trades right now. You see, slowly everything goes down once again. And now we're negative on both of our trades. Nice. Normally, I just cash out and take my profits as I have them. But it's such little money, I'm just going to let them ride. See, this one went black, so I think it means we're not going to have any profit, but we're looking few dollars profitable on that one. All right, so we actually just lost another $10 doing a few more trades. We made one profitable trade, which I literally just showed you. One more, and then we're gonna recap and see what I learned. Looks like we're running bullish. Let's lock it in. All right, locked in trade. Come on, last one be profitable. Down that original $2. Let's go. To be fair, this did have a 30% chance of making money. So I think that that's the reason why when I enter the trades, it's already in the negatives. Although it kind of seems like I'm always in the negatives. Seems about right when we say it's going to go up. Come on, minute left. Let's make this count. See, even though we are pumping, we're still down because it's under that strike price. All right, so I think we might be done because we've been negative on every single trade. Question is, so what did I learn, and is it actually possible to make a profit? I believe that this is 100% gambling. There's no real way that you could trade in terms of news or things like that to try to determine where the price is going to be. You're betting within the span of a minute to 3 minutes. It's practically impossible to determine where a price is going to be in such a short amount of time. See, you can believe in some cryptos and wait in terms of years and see that price go up, but it's really, really hard in the short term. See, if you want to go out and do this, you're basically gambling. And it's fun if you know that, but don't think you're going to make a lot of money with it. There's not much else more to say. Just don't go out and do this and expect to make money because you see YouTubers online do it. Thank you guys all for watching though. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, let me know how I did on this video. Peace.